Hello everyone, welcome to All in AI. In this video, I'm going to discussing about one of the designing AI tool called Napkin AI. Napkin AI is useful to design infographics. To design infographics, we can use a Napkin AI. Within seconds, we can design visuals from the text. See here, get visuals from your text. Napkin AI turns your text into visuals. So sharing your ideas is quick and effective. See, these are the sample infographics designed by Napkin AI. Same like how it works means, for example, if you have content already, you can just upload that content or copy paste that content into Napkin AI. Simply Napkin AI convert that content into design, visual design. Or if you don't have content, you can generate that content by using Napkin AI, and then that content you can convert into visuals. Designs you can able to make it polished by using Napkin AI. Let's see one by one. Click on Get Napkin AI free. This is the free AI tool. So you can generate here. This is the previous one. I'm going to click a new napkin. New napkin. Here in this section, we can see three options like a draft with AI, import from file, blank napkin. So draft with AI generates content also. So if you have content or files, you can import from the your computer. Blank napkin, if you want to write content yourself, you can use a blank napkin, and then that content you can able to convert into infographics. For now, I am using draft with AI. I want to generate content with napkin AI. See here we have to give a prompt to generate the content. So simply I am giving a content. I want to I want to generate I want to generate a course for no code AI automation modules like LLMS, prompt engineering, diffusion models, agentic AI, designing AI, code AI, marketing AI, custom GPTs, data analysis with AI automation. So these are the modules I am giving. So let me ask to generate course content by using Napkin AI. No code AI automation comprehensive course is generated modules according to our prompt. Select one of the topic on this course, and I'm generating visuals. Let's see. Say module 1 introduction to no code AI automation, module 2 large language models and prompt engineering. Diffusion models are image and video generation. For example, let me ask to generate visuals for this content. See here, we can see an icon to generate visuals. Generate visuals. Just simply click on this icon. It's automatically generate visuals by using the content. See, it's generating visuals. So even it generate multiple options. You can select any one of these. You can select any one of these. See, for example, I selected this one. Here, even you can change each element of the design. Let's see. See, for example, if you want to change this color, just click on this. Here you can see change style, aspect ratio, color. So you can change for this infographic. You can change for this infographics. Even you can download in multiple formats like PNG, SVG, PDF, PPT. You can download this specific visual design into multiple formats like PNG, SVG. any format, PDF, PPT. So in this visual design, even you can change each element of the design. For example, I selected this image. Here, see, if you want to change the color of this icon, see the color of the image, even you can change, right? You can change everything. So even you can change the text color also. For example, I'm selecting this text. I want to make it bold. You can do that. If you want to change the font style, you can do that also, right? You can make it size like small, medium, large, XL. Or if you want to change the color, you can do, right? So this is the way how you can simply generate visuals by using text, especially for infographics. So you can work anything by using napkin. You can design visuals for by using the text. See, for example, now I want to download this PPT. How can I download this PPT or PDF? See here in the option share, just click on that share option. Here you can share this link to any one of your colleagues, or you can able to download PDF file. You can just copy the link also. So this is all about the napkin AI. You can able to convert text into visuals. You can generate visuals by using napkin AI, especially for infographics. You can generate infographics by using Napkin AI. This is all about Napkin AI. Thank you.